Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error still loading check solution in Elementor WordPress. So we edit page or pop-up. Now you see elements widgets not loading. Now you see error still loading. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So mostly this issue occur when you are using Pro plugin in Elementor, then that plugin is not updated. So that's why this issue occur. So when one of your Pro plugin not updated with latest version, then that plugin conflict with other plugins. So we are going to fix it and we are going to update plugin. If you see check solution, so click on it. So this show page, the plus add-on, it's mean issue with plus add-on. Now go to plugin section. Now you see the plus add-ons for Elementor Pro. So we are going to update it. Update now. And then click on add plugin. Now click on upload. And then click on install now. Now add it. And then you see current uploaded. So this is a new. And then you see replace current with uploaded. So click on it. Now plugin updated done. Go to page again and refresh the page. Now you see our issue is fixed. So you can update your Pro plugin and after that your issue will be fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.